How to fix Play Store not working in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After update your internet connection, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Google Play Store. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of Google Play Store. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.